Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this new tutorial I will be showing you how to make a standard shirt collar step by step. For this video I'll be working on a 1-year-old boy's shirt, so you might notice that the proportions of the collar are pretty small. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and sharing this video. You will need 2 collar pieces, one for top collar and one for bottom collar layer. 2 collar stand pieces, one for top stand and one for bottom collar stand. 1 interlining piece for the collar and 1 interlining piece for the collar stand. The first step is to fuse with the iron the interlining pieces to one of the collar and one of the collar stand pieces. Once the interlining is fused, we place the collar pieces right side to right side. And we proceed to make a 0.5 cm stitching around the sides and top edge of the collar. The next step is to make a 0.5 cm fold to the lower edge of the collar stand and press it with the iron. We do this to both pieces of the collar stand. The collar stand pieces are ironed, so now we cut the fabric excess to the corners and around the collar seam. And we turn the collar piece around. Now we place the interlined collar stand over the side of the collar that is also interlined. We then place the other layer of the collar stand to the other side of the collar. Here it is very important to place the pieces correctly and making sure the curved edges of the stand match and are totally symmetrical. We have made a sandwich with the 2 stand pieces and the collar. Right after, we make a 0.5 cm stitching around the curved side of the collar stand. Once the collar stand is sewn, we cut around the fabric excess and we make some little notches to the curved edges. This is very important, so the fabric sits well when we turn the piece around. We then turn the collar stand around. We need to iron the collar, so I will make some basting stitch around the collar and the collar stand edges. This way we ensure the finish and the shape of the collar is perfect. We iron the collar now. Once the collar has been ironed, we make a top stitch around the collar piece edge. We now place the collar on the shirt body. To do so, we find the collar half and place it on the center of the shirt back neck. We unfold the stand edge we had previously folded by 0.5 centimeters, and we slowly place the collar around the shirt neck shape while we hold it with pins. It is important that the ends of the collar match perfectly and are correctly placed. For that reason, I will make a basting stitch to ensure my collar is perfect. Once the right side of the collar is placed, we turn it around to prepare the inner side. When the collar is correctly placed on the shirt, we make a top stitch or around the edge, about 2 mm, on the right side of the garment. And after a final ironing, our collar is completed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you soon with more ideas and projects. Thanks!